It's another day. I was having a lot of fun yesterday with sandblasting. This stuff is amazing. I'm really happy. Like, it's so easy now. My whole life is complete. Like, I missed some spots though, so like over there where my thingy is in the corner there, but that's okay. I'll do those today, I guess. I'm gonna clean up the bench next to it, make some room, and make a short plan to clean up most of the engine parts on the outside. I'm gonna re-weld this one. It had like a huge gash on this side, on the back end, and I filled it up. It's magnesium, so it's not that hard to weld, but it's a bit different. But it's decent as it is now, but it's not that nice. So I kind of want to fill this up a bit better and get it nice and smooth with the rest of the crankcase, and then I can paint it, I guess. Also crap here or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this shit up, and then I'll see what I'll do. Alrighty then. Collected all the parts I want to do today. So cylinder head, some engine parts, and some cylinder walls. I'm gonna fit them together so the internals won't get blasted, because you don't want to fuck this up. This one's really pretty bad anyway. Oh well, I have a few good ones, so that's good. I'm gonna tape it up, put them together, and then make sure I don't damage anything. And we're probably gonna do one big ass time lapse of me just sandblasting stuff, I guess. Exciting. Woo! All right. Oh. What? Stop. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So now that's done. I've been. This is like day 3 with the blasting cabinet, and a lot of problems. I've added some lights that also don't really stick. The one in the corner does, this one does, this one doesn't, and I couldn't see through the whole glass thing because apparently, like, there's the plastic film on the inside here, then a glass pane, and then they have like this plastic, well, as you can see, yeah, on here, and this one was already like really murky from the start, so I just couldn't see anything and even with the bad lighting it was even more horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that as well. So I tried with the LED strips, those didn't really stick and work, so I just put in a new type of LED lighting, Jesus, lighting. And I added a vacuum to the port because I don't really want to get minor lung. It works, does work perfect. I think I'm just gonna add a bit of extra water in the bottom here, so it will kind of swirl around and pick up the dust as it swirls, and the dust will probably hopefully settle in the water, just make some gross sludge which you can then just throw out. Yeah, but I'm thinking of moving the whole thing to my shop's attic, up there, around in that corner over there, and then making a nice encased little room, so I also have like a lot more space for doing bike frames and tanks and stuff like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna order some air apparels, like connectors and stuff like that. I have like a lot of hose in the attic. I'll just run some lines up and to the workbench and probably in front of the shop, so I'll have air all around, and it's gonna be really professional like. It's very nice. So I also got a new bridge. Got this from the neighbor. It's like, you want one? It's like, yeah, sure. So I got one for free. So, hey, perfect, free stuff. So that's nice. Also got this from the neighbor. So it's like, oh, you want one? It's like, sure. It's like, yeah, you can have it. Alright, nice, free stuff. Again, perfect. But yeah, probably gonna do a time lapse thing again of me fixing this mess. But it's working though. It works really well. Like, this is great. And now that I can actually see what I'm doing, it's even better. So, mint. Right, so it's back together. As you can see, it's really clear, which is awesome. I have the lights on the side, which work really well. The one above the gloves already broke. I think because the light switch is over there and sand got in. Now it's broken. Oh well, fuck it. Good enough. First I'm gonna clean up all the crap before I start again. It's a big fucking mess. So when I'm cleaning, I can actually do like a nice time lapse of the sandblasting while it's actually filmable. So that's very nice. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ah, fuck. Let me get my earplugs out. Okay, cool. So, cleaned up a bit. Not that much, but still a bit. And I put a camera mount over here. So when I start recording, it should be like this. So the whole sandblasting process should be pretty cool. Yeah, before I had this one, didn't really work. This should work amazing. I forgot I had these. I have like a whole pack of doodads for the camera. So yeah, this should be cool. I'm gonna put some more sand in. It's pretty dirty as well. I'm gonna put some more sand in. I'm gonna clean the vacuum, and let's give it a go. Fuck yeah.